Let's talk about numbers 11 to 20. By now, I think, or you should have watched yung numbers 1 to 10. Okay? So, number 11 muna tayo. Rex and Ray plant a field in 4 hours together. It takes Ray 8 hours to do this alone. Without Ray, how long will it take Rex to do the same job? Again, there is a lesson already sa YouTube that you can watch to find out how to solve this. The formula is like this. Kung magkasama daw si Rex at si Ray, 4 hours sila magkasama. Si Ray mag-isa lang siya. So, si Ray is 1 over 8. Okay? Plus, and then, nawawala yung si Rex. So, siya yung 1 over X. X kasi, hindi natin alam kung ilan yung number of hours that he does the work by himself. Ngayon, pag pinagsama sila, 4 hours ang kailangan para mabuo nila yung isang job. Ngayon, you just solve this down. This is going to be, LCD natin siya. So, ang LCD niya is 8x. This is going to be x plus 8. Okay? 4. Bakit? Kasi, when we get yung least common denominator, kunyari 1/2 and 1/3, di ba ang ginagawa natin, the quickest way, if you don't want to solve for yung actual na least common denominator, is you multiply them. Yung ilalim, yun ang magiging ilalim. So, 2 times 3 is 6, and then, yung 3, imumultiply mo dito sa numerator niya, ito, dun sa kabila. So, this is going to be 3 plus 2. In this case, same din yung ginawa natin. Multiply natin yung 8 sa x, so, naging 8x, tapos, ikinross natin siya. X times 1 is x, 8 times 1 is 8. Kaya siya naging ganyan. Equals 1. Now, what we're going to do next, you can distribute this. So, yung 4, ililipat natin doon. Or kung gusto nyo ilipat nyo sa kabila, pwede rin naman. Okay? So, x plus 8 times 4 over 8x is equal to 1. Yung 8x, i-multiply natin sa kabila para lumipat siya doon. So, this is going to be 8x plus 8 times 4 is equal to 8x. Solve lang natin siya. So, we have, i-distribute natin siya for x plus 8, 16, 24, 32 is equal to 8x. Ililipat natin yung 4 doon sa kabila. Magiging 8x minus 4x is equal to 32. So, 32 is equal to 4x. Divide natin both sides sa 4. So, 32 divided by 4 is 8. So, the answer is 8 hours. Letter C. Okay? Number 12, 4/9 of y is taken from 9 can be written as, okay, ang 4/9, that is 4 over 9. Ang of means multiplication. So, yung 4 over 9, multiply mo daw sa y, is taken from. Ang taken from is subtraction. So, pero, dahil taken from siya, hindi siya minus or decreased by, baliktad yun. So, minus, and then this is 9. So, 9 minus 4 over 9y ang hinahanap natin. Hindi siya pwede ito kasi baliktad siya. So, hindi pwede yung A. Ito, hindi kasi 4 times 9. Dapat 4 over 9. So, hindi siya pwede. Ito may equality. This is wrong. The answer is letter T. 9 minus 4 over 9 times y. Next, number 13. A right triangle has legs measuring 39 and 52 inches. What is the measurement of its hypotenuse? So, i-drawing muna natin. Ang right triangle looks like this. Kaya siya right triangle kasi right angle yung isang angle niya. Ang legs niyan are these two. Ito yung legs. Ang hypotenuse is yung pinakamahaba. Ito yung hypotenuse. So, yung legs niya are 39 and 52. Now, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? For this, ito yung tinuturo sa atin when we were still in school. Ang Pythagorean theorem is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Yung a and b, yan yung legs. So, ang c squared is equal to 39 squared plus 52 squared. Okay? So, again, you can solve this way, or I have a technique which I call yung triangle 3, 4, 5, which means basically, kung ang isang leg ay divisible by 3 at yung isang leg ay divisible by 4, at same yung factor nila, yung i-multiply mo para lumabas yon, you can multiply it by 5 to get this. Ngayon, yung 39 divisible siya sa 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13. 52 divided by 4 is also 13. Ibig sabihin, check tayo sa 3, check tayo sa 4. Ang hinahanap natin si 5. 13 times 5 na lang. So, 5 times 13 is 65. Okay? So, the answer is letter C, 65. Again, you can use this naman. Pwede mong i-solve down at i-square root. You can do that if you're not too familiar with yung triangle 3, 4, 5. So, 39 times 39 na lang muna tayo. 39 times 39, this is 81. So, 9, 18, 27 plus 5 is 35. This is 27. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2, that is 11. So, this is 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1. So, 15, 21 plus 52 times 52. Okay? So, that is going to give us 4. This is going to be 10. This is going to be 10. And then 25, 26. Okay? So, 4, 0, 7, 2. So, 2704 is equal to C squared. This is the thing with it, if you don't know the technique, medyo matagal siya talaga. So, that is the benefit of knowing yung triangle 3, 4, 5. 2704 plus 1521 is going to give us 5. This is 2. This is 12. 4. So, that is going to be 4,225. Sorry. Milipat siya. Okay, so C squared yan. Is-square root natin both sides. C is equal to the square root of 4225. And that is also going to give us 65. So the answer really is letter C, 65. Okay? Next, this is a rather complicated looking problem, but it's really very easy. The last digit rule applies even sa polynomials. Kaya ang advice ko sa inyo is to find things na you can combine. Dahil addition, subtraction naman siya lahat, what you're going to do is to look at yung mga given na. Ngayon, dito pa lang sa given, yung first, yung dulo, plus 3 sila lahat. So, ibig sabihin, wala tayong magagawa masyado dyan. And totoo naman kasi plus 3 to. Okay? Kinancel ko kasi nandito na siya. Ngayon, ang unang kong tanong sa sarili ko, anong tama? 6x to the 4th o 9x to the 4th o 9x to the 3rd? Kasi kung alam ko na yan, ma-eliminate ko na yung iba. Ngayon, hanap natin yung 6x to the 4th. Meron bang ibang x to the 4th? We have this one, right? Meron bang iba? Wala. Ngayon, kung wala siyang kapareho, ibig sabihin hindi siya magbabago. So, ibig sabihin, nasa final answer mo na yung 6x to the 4th. Ibig sabihin, hindi na to pwedeng sagot, hindi na to pwedeng sagot. Dalawa na lang pipilian natin. Ngayon, if you move to the next part, 3x cubed, pareho siya. Positive 3x cubed. Ito yon. So, ika-cancel natin yan. Hindi na natin yan iniisip kasi nandun na siya sa sagot na pinagpipilian natin. Ang next na would be this. 6x squared y or 10xy squared. Ang tanong, meron bang x squared y? You have this, x squared y yan. 2 and 4. Meron pa bang iba? Wala. So, dahil meron sila nun, and pag pinagsama mo yan, that is 6x squared y, check tayo dito. Pasok yan. Ito, wala siyang 6x squared y. So, the answer is letter A. In-eliminate lang natin yung mga sagot, isa-isa. Instead of looking at this, i-solve nyo siya talaga literally lahat. Look at the options and then find out kung ano yung pwede nyo tanggalin. Okay? Next, number 15. A rectangular garden has sides measuring 40 meters and 75 meters. In the middle of the garden is a circular fountain with a radius of 20 meters. The gardener was asked to cover the rest of the garden with synthetic grass. How much synthetic grass does he need to buy? Now, when it comes to geometric questions, make sure that you draw the problem para hindi kayo masyadong maguluhan. So, may rectangular garden, tapos sa gitna merong fountain. Ang sides daw niya ay 40 meters by 75 meters. Yung circular fountain naman, ang radius niya, which is this, yung kalahati is 20 meters. Ngayon, I already made a series of videos on geometry that you can look at. I discussed yung rectangles, squares, circles, and triangles. You can click up here para malaman yung mga formula and ano yung parts at ano yung gagawin sa kanila. Watch that first para matulungan kayo to understand this video, okay? Ngayon, given this, ang hinahanap is yung i-cover ng synthetic grass. Ito yon. Okay? Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng i-cover ng grass yung fountain, no? So, anong gagawin natin? Yung area ng rectangle minus yung area ng circle, which is hindi natin lalagyan ng grass, yun yung magiging sagot natin. Okay? So, doon naman tayo sa area ng rectangle. Ang formula is length times width, which is 40 times 75. Okay? Or 75 times 4 is 300 plus isa pang 0 is 3,000. Minus, and then ang area ng circle is pi r squared. So, yung radius which is 20, isa-square mo siya. So, 20 times 20 is 400. Okay? Times yung ating pi which is 3.14. Okay? So, 4 times 3.14, 400 times 3.14, i-move na lang decimal place natin dyan. Ika-cancel natin to. So, you have 314 times 4, 16. 4, 5, this is 12, so 1256. So 3,000 minus 1256. So the answer here is 1744 meters squared, which is letter A. Okay, next. Number 16, Mike earns 80 pesos an hour sorting receipts. If he works from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. without stopping for a break, how much money will he make? Ang gagawin lang natin dito is to find out ilang oras siya nagtrabaho. No, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., that is 9 hours. Paano natin nalaman? Kasi 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12, noon, and then you start counting 1 ulit. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 9 hours. So, 9 times 80 pesos, which yung kinikita niya per hour. Okay? So, that is going to give us 720 pesos or letter D. Okay. Number 17. What is the mean of this data set? Now, I already talked about mean, median, mode, and statistics. You can click up here then to watch that video to learn how to do it. Ang mean is the average. Ang average is i-add mo lang siya lahat. Okay? Tapos, i-divide mo sa kung ilan sila. In this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 na data points. So, i-add natin sila lahat at i-multiply natin sa 9. Now, ang technique ko, para mas mabilis ng onte, pag samasamahin yung pare-pareho, you have 8, 16, 24. May 24 ka na agad. Plus, itong 11 tsaka 9, pag pinagsama ko yan, 20 yan. So, ika-cancel ko na lang. And then, I add 20. So, basically, pinagsasama-sama ko, pinapalaki ko yung numbers para mas manageable i-add. This is going to be 13 times 2 or 26. And you have dalawang 19, which is 40 minus 2 or 38. Add na lang natin siya. You have 10, 18. This is 6, 9, 10, 108 divided by 9. So 108 divided by 9, that is going to give you 1. And then this is going to be 9. Carry yan. So mag-18 tayo dyan. 80 divided by 9 is 2. The answer is 12. Average of the data set is 12, which is the mean. Same thing. Number 18, what is the area of the rectangle if the length is 46 millimeters and the width is 10 centimeters? Ngayon, I purposefully made this question para medyo trick question siya kasi centimeters to millimeters. Para may onting conversion din tayo. Ang rectangle daw, ang kanyang parts, you have 46 millimeters and 10 centimeters. So, this is 46 millimeters. Ang 10 centimeters ay equal sa 100 millimeters. At dahil millimeter squared lahat ng mga sagot, ibig sabihin yung millimeter ang gagamitin natin. So, length times width is 46 times 100 or 600 millimeters square. So, the answer is letter B. If you got excited and the answer mo is A, the reason for that is hindi mo napansin na centimeter yan. So, be careful when it comes to the exam. Look at the units. Kung pareho sila, that's the only time na you go straight away to multiplying stuff. Okay? Be careful. Number 19, 3 is to 25 is as 15 is to y plus 36. Now, for this type of question, the technique is ratio rotation. Again, there's a video up here. You can watch it to find out how to solve it. And I'm going to discuss it also. So, tatapat lang natin siya. 3 over 25 is equal to 15 over y plus 36. Ano yung y plus 36? Ito yon. Okay? Ngayon, yung mga naguguluhan dyan, huwag kayong mag-alala, madali lang yan. I-ratio rotation pa rin natin. Okay? So, you can start here. This is going to be 15 divided by 3, which is 5, times 25. That is 125. Ngayon, yung 125, yan ay yung y plus 36. So, ano yung y? Ilipat lang natin yung 36 sa kabila. So, 125 minus 36 is equal to y. So, 125 minus 36, that is going to be 85. 9. That is letter B. Okay? Kasi ang 125 minus 36 is 89. Number 20. Andrew had 56 apples left at his roadside fruit stand. He went to the orchard and picked more apples to stock up the stand. There are now 148 apples in the stand. How many did he pick? So, nag-start siya sa 56, naging 148. So, anong kailangan mo gawin sa 56 para maging 148? Ang unang tanong, nadagdagan ba siya? Yes. The next question, by how much? So, what you will do would be 148 minus 56. That is going to give us 2. Ano tayo dito? That is going to be 92. The answer there is letter C. Okay? So I'm going to discuss numbers 21 to 30 on the next video. Make sure that you watch that carefully and you're free to watch this again and again hanggang ma-perfect nyo siya. So happy learning guys. God bless you. Adja kaya niyan.